There's more, there's more, there's more. My friends, we have some add-on items that are going to be perfect for this month's sets. Are you ready? Get set, let's go. Chances are you already saw the video for the Posies to stamp. Love it, right? Well, I couldn't stop. I literally just could not stop. I kept going on and on. Oh no, I need another one. Oh no, I need this. Oh no, I need this. Because remember, I'm a stamper. I'm a card maker. I want this. And so I had to make things that I wanted, and I betcha you might want them too. So let's start with the first one. Keep in mind, we have our original set here. This is the one that we sent to all our subscribers, our club members. That one. Now we're adding some patterns. We're calling this patterns because it's going to give you a nice outline of three of the flowers. It's also going to give you a stitch option, and it's also going to give you these fun little floushes. I don't even know what they're called, but I'm calling them floushes. Look how fun that is. Now there's more sayings on this one. There is let your dreams blossom. I'm so sorry. Friends are the family you choose. Hello, and thinking of you on this special day. But wait, there's more, because then I wanted solids. I needed solids, right? Sometimes you don't have time to color, you need those solids. Sometimes you don't like to color, you need those solid stamps, right? So here we have a lot of solid stamps. We have a leaf, we're throwing in a leaf now. So here's our leaf over here. I've added another leaf and solids to both. Look at that, solids to both. Adding these fun little floushes. That's what we're calling them. It's official, floushes. And these little fun little twiggy-like things, those are going to be the stems for your leaves. Right? I know. Lots of fun words. Wishing you the most beautiful day. Feeling pretty blessed to call you my friend and live life in full bloom. One more that's going to go with this completely. Sayings. I couldn't stop with my sayings. I just kept going. So I'm so lucky to be your friend. Everyone needs a friend like you. I may not always be there with you, but I will always be there for you. Oh, isn't that a gorgeous one? Perfect for the inside of your card, right? Here's another one. There are friends, there is family, and then there are friends who become family. Sometimes one person changes everything. Thank you for being that person. Isn't that awesome? And then another one for someone special. Isn't that fun? A lot of these are going to go on the inside of your card, which are really nice, right? Sometimes we don't have enough that go on the inside of our cards, so this is definitely a must-have. Now, I have been waiting forever to share this stencil set with you. It is a 4-pack of stencils. I know, 4-pack, because it is absolutely amazing. Look at this. You are getting the dots as a separate stencil, the stems as a separate one, the leaves as a separate one, and the little flower buds as a separate one. Absolutely stunningly beautiful. Let me show you kind of what it looks like just by itself. Now, don't forget, on our stencils, it has our logo on it, so you will be able to make sure they all line up, right? So first we have the stems, dun, 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 dun. Then we have the leaves, dun, 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 dun. Now any of these could be used by themselves too. Then we have the dots, dun, 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 and then the little flower buds. So awesome, right? And let me really quickly show you what that looks like, because I know it's kind of hard to like picture it in your head. Here are 2 different examples of using that stencil. So here we have perfect backgrounds. You're going to use different colors to look at, and 2 total different looks, right? Totally different on white and then on green. I absolutely love it. So much fun. You're going to love that one. And because it's all packed together, it's a bundle. What does bundle mean at the Stamps of Life? You save more money. Gotta love that, right? We always like to save money. Then, last but not least, you guys, I am so excited about this one. I'm not even going to show you the package yet. Here's your envelope. Gorgeous envelope, by the way. Here's your envelope. You're going to open it up. Flat. See how flat it is? Flat. Look how flat that is. Ready? I'm going to open it up. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. It's a little flower pot box. Isn't it adorable? I absolutely love it. Now, depending on how you do your flowers will depend on what size envelope you put it in. This one fit in an A2 because we did the flowers kind of low. If you wanted it to be more of a bouquet of flowers, you would put it maybe in a 5x7 envelope. So it just depends on what size envelope you want it to do. You want to put it in is how big you can make your flower bouquet. But look at some of these. Again, folds flat, pop it open. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at those flowers. Here's another one. I'm going to open it up, and yes, it stands, so you can have it stand for decoration. Here's a cute one. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Look at that. And I just realized I am missing one item because this one showed me, look on the back here. You see those little brown things? Do you see those little brown things and those extra leaves? Look at this. There's also a die set because I designed, this is the honest truth. I designed everything, did everything. Flowers, gorgeous, loved them, leaves, different leaves, everything. And I realized sometime I might want a stem or two. You know, sometimes you just want to make a card with stems with the flowers on top. So I came up with this one, and it has the stems. It has this stem with leaves, and it has this stem with, and then leaves separate. So you can mix and match. So here we have this cute one with the little stems on the inside. Isn't that cute? Here's another cute one. You Grow Girl. You Grow Girl comes in the flower pot. So it comes with Love and You Grow Girl, so which is really fun. So here's an example of what it comes with. Dun, 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 dun. Open it up. The wording here, You Grow Girl and With Love come in the flower pot box. But again, box, flat. Isn't that awesome? Now let's look at some more samples because these are just so much fun. Here's a cute one. Oh, and this is a sneak peek, by the way. Sneak peek, future, coming soon, coming soon. But look at this, Thinking of You. Look at that cute little flower with the little stitched. That's not pen marks. That's one of the stamps, you guys. You don't have to do stitch, 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 stitch with your pen. It's a stamp, so you don't have to worry about it. Isn't that fun? Here's a fun one. Oh, look at those cute little stems at the bottom. See, that's why I wanted the stems for that kind of thing. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Open it up. I may not always be there for you, but I will always be there for you. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my word. Look at this one. Burlap background. Ding, ding, ding. Burlap background. I love this one. Look at those gorgeous posies. So beautiful. I'm so lucky to be your friend using our Decal Edge A2 card die. Love it. Here's a fun one for someone special. Again, there's our cute little stems. Love it. We have our big rectangle scallops. We have our stitch, so it's on top of our stitched rectangles, which is really fun for someone special. I absolutely love it. Isn't that beautiful? The grid stencils on here too. I love it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That beautiful majestic stencil. Oh, look at this cute little bookmark. Bookmarks are so awesome. I love bookmarks. I love them, love them, love them. Look at how fun this is. We have a bookmark die. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Look how gorgeous those beautiful posies are. Ooh, here's a mini slimline. We have a mini slimline card base, and this also uses the mini slimline scalloped and stitched rectangles. So we have scalloped on the back and stitched on the front with that fun pattern paper. Isn't it awesome? Ooh, look at this one. You Grow Girl. Look at that gorgeous stem in there with those leaves and the coloring. You Grow Girl. Oh, and look at the background. Look at the background. That's that stencil, you guys. Now you can make your own pattern paper, which is awesome, right? Sometimes you don't have the exact color you want. Now you do, right? I love it. Live life in full bloom. Ooh, this is our swish card. Our swish card base. Look at those fun little flowers. Look at that, how they just follow that swish. I absolutely love it. Put some pattern paper in the background. Love it. Ooh, look at this one. Now, I want you to look closely at this one because you might not notice it right away. First, we have our cute little stems, right? We have our cute little stitching around the flowers, but look at the purple, lavender, pixie colored cardstock. Look close. You'll see that stitched flower is randomly stamped on it to make that background paper. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Adding some beautiful ribbon from one of our card kits and again, stitched rectangles. I think the team got together and said, everybody do stitched rectangles this month. That's not really true, but I think that just shows you how often they use the stitched rectangles. Here we go. Another one with stitched rectangles. You guys, this is so funny. But look at how gorgeous this is. Live with love and best wishes. Look at those beautiful flowers. So beautiful. Open it up, thinking of you on this special day. And last but certainly not least, another one with stitched rectangles. What's the deal, huh? I love it. Look at this background paper, you guys. Is that just stunningly beautiful? I think you could spend all day with just a big piece of cardstock making your own background paper because it's so much fun with this set. Because you have the stencils, you have the posies, you have the different elements to the posies. So you can mix and match and make it gorgeous. Now, if you belong to one of our clubs, if you're one of our subscribers, you are getting 15% off of everything on our website. Or if you're in more than one club, you could be a gold member, and that means you're getting 20% off. It's like a sale every day, right? But if you're sneaky, and I would be if I were you, and you checked out our website the night before releases, there is a bundle for 24 hours or until this sells out, a bundle of all of these items at an extra special discount. So not only is it regular low price, because our prices can't be beat, our regular low price, then we put a flash sale price on it, so that makes it so it's regular low price, flash sale price, then we have bundle price, then you get your discount, and that's what you pay. You went from here to here. So get in on that bundle to save even more, because bundle means save. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? You are going to love this set. I can't wait to start playing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.